A lot of people will come up to me after doing a workout routine and say, I just started this routine. I'm getting so many results, right? This is perfect. This is the routine, right? I think literally everyone could benefit from this. Or maybe they just saw something online and they're like, I just found this 30-day shred routine. It's perfect. It worked great for me. So the truth about your quote unquote perfect exercise routine is that it is not perfect at all. Is there really a perfect routine? Absolutely not. And let's talk about why that is. Everyone adapts differently to different stimuluses and different stresses. Everyone has different goals, right? Different goals in whatever they want to achieve for fitness. And everyone also has different preferences on what they enjoy doing when it comes to the gym and when it comes to working out. Now, some programs, these 30-day fitness fat blast challenges, right, for example, might work well for many, but they still likely have some flaws. For some people, they might be too easy. For some people, they might be too boring. And they might also need specific equipment that you may not currently have, okay? So when it comes to having a perfect exercise routine, there's no one size fits all. There are some pros and cons. There are some good things and bad things. So at the end of the day, you need to realize this is all about finding what works for you and maybe finding one of those 30-day fitness challenge routines, finding what you like about it, finding what you don't like about it, and being able to tweak it to your specific goals and have it something that you enjoy for a very long period of time, because that's what's ultimately going to get you to keep with the program, keep with the routine, and get you lasting results. You are not going to get results on your workouts if you are simply not following it long term, right? So this perfect exercise routine, even if it's perfect to the point where it's getting you results, if you only do it for a month, it's not going to matter at the end of the day. So kind of find those different preferences and different tweaks for you in those workouts that will allow you to enjoy it the most for yourself.